How to install packages offline? What's the best way to download a Python package and its dependencies from pip for offline installation on another machine? Is there any easy way to do this with pip or easy_install? I'm trying to install the requests library on a freebsd box that is not connected to the internet.
If the package is on pip, download it and its dependencies to some local directory. For example, some packages may have to be archived into similar looking tarballs by hand. I do it a lot when I want a more recent, less stable, version of something. Some packages aren't on pip, so same applies to them. Suppose you have a properly formed Python application and /src/myapp. /src/myapp/setup.py will have install_requires list that mentions one or more things that you have in your /pip directory. Like so. If you want to be able to run your app with all the necessary dependencies while still hacking on it, you'll do something like this. This way your app will be executed straight from your source directory. You can hack on things, and then rerun the app without rebuilding anything. If you want to install your app and its dependencies into the current Python environment, you'll do something like this. In both cases, the build will fail if one or more dependencies aren't present in /pip directory. It won't attempt to promiscuously install missing things from internet. I highly recommend to invoke setup.py develop ... and easy_install ... within an active virtual environment to avoid contaminating your global Python environment. It is virtual, and that is pretty much the way to go. Never install anything into global Python environment. If the machine that you've built your app has same architecture as the machine on which you want to deploy it, you can simply tarball the entire virtual environment directory into which you easy_installed everything. Just before tarballing though, you must make the virtual environment directory relocatable. See relocatable option. Note, the destination machine needs to have the same version of Python installed, and also any C-based dependencies your app may have must be pre-installed there too. For example, say if you depend on PIL, then libpython, libjpeg, etc. must be pre-installed.
On the system that has access to internet, the pip download command lets you download packages without installing them. In previous versions of pip, this was spelled pip install download or requirements.txt. On the system that has no access to internet, then you can use to install those downloaded modules without accessing the network.
If you want to install Python libs and their dependencies offline, finish following these steps on a machine with the same OS, network connected, and Python installed. 1. Create a requirements.txt file with similar content. Note, these are the libraries you wish to download. One option for creating the requirements file is to use pip freeze is greater than requirements.txt. This will list all libraries in your environment. Then you can go into requirements.txt and remove unneeded ones. Two, execute command enter wheelhouse and pip download our requirements.txt wheelhouse to download libs and their dependencies to directory wheelhouse. 3. Copy requirements.txt into wheelhouse directory. 4. Archive wheelhouse into wheelhouse.tar.gz with tar_zcf wheelhouse.tar.gz wheelhouse. Then upload wheelhouse.tar.gz to your target machine. 1. Execute tar zxf wheelhouse.tar.gz to extract the files. 2. Execute pip install or wheelhouse/requirements.txt no index find links wheelhouse to install the libs and their dependencies.
Let me go through the process step by step. On a computer connected to the internet, create a folder. Open up a command prompt or shell and execute the following command. Suppose the package you want is TensorFlow. $pip download TensorFlow. Now, on the target computer, copy the packages folder and apply the following command. Note that the TensorFlow xyz.whl must be replaced by the original name of the required package.
If you want this, the audio instructions